Good morning, my dear students. I am Basma Taiban from Palestinian School in Doha. I'm going to explain your English lesson today. Please follow with me. Now, my students, as you can see, the title of our unit is At the Market. The market is the place where you can buy things. Now, let's listen to the following audio.
21. Unit 3, Period 1 and Period 2, Language Presentation. Carrots, tomatoes, potatoes, bananas, onions, oranges.
When you go to the market, you ask the shopkeeper to bring things for you. So, you have to ask him in a polite way. Let's read the following bubbles between you as a customer and the shopkeeper. I'd like carrots and onions, please. Here you are. Thank you. In this way, you ask in a polite way for the things you want to buy. Now, let's listen to the new words.
3. Period 1, Activity 1. Listen and write. 1.
I'd like carrots and onions, please. And I'd like apples and bananas, please.
Here you are.
Thank you.
2.
I'd like oranges and tomatoes, please. And I'd like a melon, please.
Here you are.
Thank you.
3.
I'd like potatoes, please. And I'd like figs and grapes, please.
Here you are.
Thank you.
Well done. Now, my students, we have 3 customers. Customer, it means the one who wants to buy things. These 3 customers want to buy things. So, listen to customer number 1 and write 1 in the boxes next to the things that he wants to buy.
Track 22. Unit 3, Period 1, Activity 1. Listen and write. 1.
I'd like carrots and onions, please. And I'd like apples and bananas, please.
Here you are.
Thank you.
Well done. Now listen to customer number 2. Also write number 2 in the boxes below the things that she or he wants to buy.
2.
I'd like oranges and tomatoes, please. And I'd like a melon, please.
Here you are.
Thank you.
Very good. Now, also listen to customer number 3 and write 3 in the boxes below the things that he or she wants to buy.
3.
I'd like potatoes, please. And I'd like figs and grapes, please.
Here you are.
Thank you.
Excellent. Now, to check your answers, I will play the audio for the last time, and please take your pencils to correct your answers.
Track 22. Unit 3. Period 1. Activity 1. Listen and write. 1.
I'd like carrots and onions, please. And I'd like apples and bananas, please.
Here you are.
Thank you.
2.
I'd like oranges and tomatoes, please. And I'd like a melon, please.
Here you are.
Thank you.
3.
I'd like potatoes, please. And I'd like figs and grapes, please.
Here you are.
Thank you.
Good job. Now, my students, I have a few pictures. I want you to look at them and tell me if I want to buy them. How can I complete my sentence? I'd like. Yes, excellent. Onions. I'd like tomatoes. Very good. I'd like carrots. And finally, I'd like potatoes. Very good. Now let's read the following bubbles and try to read them and act with your brother or friend. I'd like oranges and figs, please. Here you are. Thank you. Now, please look at the following pictures and answer me. What would you like? Take 2 minutes to complete the sentence. I'd like. Yes, very good. I'd like figs. I'd like grapes. I'd like melons. I'd like apples. Excellent. Now, my students, look at the following 2 questions. Number 1, what is this? Number 2, what are these? Number 1, what is this? We use it to ask about only one thing. For example, look at the first picture. What is this? What's this? A potato. Yes, a potato. A potato, it means one potato. A tomato. A tomato, it means only one. A carrot. A carrot also is only one carrot, it means. What are these here? You can see here some potatoes, more than one. 3 potatoes, more than one. The next one, tomatoes. Not only one, you can see here more than one. And the last one, carrots. We have some carrots here, not only one. So when we have one, we say a potato, a tomato, a carrot. More than one, potatoes, tomatoes, carrots. Now, my students, the same question. What is this? Look at the pictures. What's this? This is what? Number one. What's this? A banana. A banana. A banana, it means one banana. A carrot. A carrot, it means only one carrot. But look at the next pictures. Here, we say an orange. We didn't say a orange. And the next one, an apple. We didn't say a apple. The last one, an onion. And also we didn't say a onion. So this difference here, because the words orange, apple, and onion start with specific letters. We call them vowels. And the vowels are I, A, E, O, and U. When we have a word and we mean a singular one, singular, it means only one thing, and it starts with one of these vowels, we use an instead of a or a. So we don't say a apple, we say an apple, because the word apple starts with the vowel a. Now, my students, your duty is to look at the following pictures, then to read the sentences and use a or an to complete them. Don't forget that when the word starts with a vowel, we use an. And the vowels are A, O, E, I, and U. And when the word starts with any other letter, we use a. For example, number one, I'd like a apple or an apple. Look at the first letter in this word. It is a, a. So we use a or an. Take 2 minutes to do the rest. Now, let's check your answers. Number one, I'd like an apple. Yes, because the word apple starts with the vowel a. Number two, I can see an elephant. Very good, because the first letter in this word elephant is e, elephant. Number three, I'd like a fig. Here we use a, not an, because the first letter in the word fig is not a vowel. Fig. Number four, I can see a potato. The first letter in this word is P, potato. That's why we use a. Number 5, this is an umbrella. Why an umbrella? Because the first letter in this word is a vowel. It is U. An umbrella. Number 6, this is an egg, because also the first letter here is a vowel, E. Number 7, I can see octopus. An octopus, also because of the first letter. It is a vowel, O, an octopus. 8, I'd like a banana, because the first letter is B, banana. That's why we use a banana. And the last one, this is an insect. Here also the first letter is a vowel, I, insect, an insect. That's why we use an. Now your homework is to write these 9 sentences in your notebook. Very good. Now my students, let's move to the next page. Here you can see some pictures and also some sentences. And you have to match the suitable sentences with the suitable pictures. Take 2 minutes to do it. Well done. Now let's check your answers. Number 1, this is a tomato. Very good. With picture E. Number 2, this is a carrot. With picture C. Well done. Number 3, this is an orange. With picture B. Number 4, this is an onion, and it is with picture D. Well done. Number 5, this is a banana with picture A. Very good. And the last one, this is a potato with picture F. Very good. Now please, let's move to activity number 2. Here we have some fruit and vegetables. We have to count them and write in the spaces. For example, look at the oranges and count them, then write. How many oranges do we have here? Also the carrots. How many carrots? Also the onions. How many onions do you think that we have? And also the bananas. Count them and write. Use the words in the box above. Onions, carrots, bananas, and oranges. Take 3 minutes to do it. Very good. Now let's check your answers. Number 1, how many oranges do you think that we have here? Yes, very good. 11 oranges. Yes. Number 2, 17 carrots. Very good. Number 3, 13 onions. And how many bananas? Very good. 14 bananas. Good job. Now my students, your homework is to copy the new words in your copybook. And the words are bananas, apples, oranges, melons, carrots, figs, grapes, potatoes, tomatoes, and the last one, onions. Please revise them and write correctly.